Good morning, everyone. Myself Tejal Mehta. Today I am going to speak about Hinduism. Hinduism is the one of the oldest religion in the world. It begins 2000 years ago and it followed by millions of people across the world. Hinduism teaches people to live peace, truth, honesty, kindness. Hindus believe one supreme power of God who appears in different forms such as Shiva, Krishna, etc. Temples are the important place for worship where people going for pray and celebrate the festivals. One of the most important teaching of Hinduism is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the whole world is one family. Hinduism also teaches the importance of karma. Karma means our good and bad actions are decided our future. So we should always do good deeds and help others. Hinduism has many colorful festivals such as Navratri, Diwali, Shivratri, Uttarayan, and these festivals spread joys, loves, and togetherness. The holy book of Hinduism include Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, and the Vedas. The books teach us moral values and guide us to live a good life. Hinduism is not only a religion, but it's also a way of life. It teaches us to respect nature, care of others, and live peacefully. Thank you so much. Have a good day.